Oh my God, this can't be real.
Bro,
this can't be real.
I don't want to go to jail.
Everybody shut up!
Quiet, man.
Shut up!
They gonna shoot us, bro.
I doodled on myself, man.
Oh, I'm going down with doodle in my nose! Approaching the vehicle now. Approximately 4 black males in a 4-door sedan requesting backup.
Hey, record. Hey, somebody record, cause you know that's what they be doing.
We gotta come. Hey, hold on.
Hey, let's.
Shh, okay. He's coming.
Hey,
shut up!
Put your hand down.
Shut up!
Okay, wait, go. He's go.
449-1120.
Hello, gentlemen. Good evening.
Oh, Caroline me say shit. Okay. Oui.
Hello.
Allô.
Bonsoir.
Where you niggas going tonight?
Okay, mba.
Salut.
Ça blandi.
Nous allons dans l'église, dans l'aéroport, sur 27e avenue.
What there on the 27th Avenue?
No English. Sorry? Where you guys going? You have any weapons in the car? Any drugs?
No,
Any cocaine?
No, the English no good for.
Can I please have your license and registration and proof of insurance, please?
I'm giving taking mine to take it for you right there. It's in there right there. I got my stuff.
Hey.
Okay.
No English. No English.
Okay.
No English.
Okay, I got it. Right there. Monsieur besoin licence soin. Besoin licence soin. Okay. I don't talking.
No English.
I don't know.
We don't speak English, officer.
Well, you guys don't speak English, do you?
I don't speak English.
You guys don't speak English.
I'm the.
So you guys are. Not only these guys black, but they're immigrants as well. I don't know what to do here. I'm gonna go back to my car. I'm gonna go back to my car,
I got
sit in the car and figure things out.
Okay. Monsieur dit il parle dans machine là, il a bien écouté.
Oh, comment tu parles dans machine
là? Ça nous va le faire là. Ça nous va le faire là, elle retourner, nous va le courir.
Bon, est-ce qu'on vote pour là? Coup de poudre.
Bon.
Baguette, non?
Là, ok, on va essayer de vous comme ça. On dit, bon, mon cher, nous pas rien, monsieur. Vous chassez ou ça? Ça n'a fait. Monsieur, la fout ton balle, la fout monsieur en balle. Après l'homme, la fout ton balle dans la tête, moi. Pour la sucer là, la tout mourir parce qu'elle.
All right, here, Mr. James, St. Laurent, de la France, Lafayette. You guys don't speak any English. You don't seem to be breaking any laws just yet. I'm gonna let you guys go. All right?
Oh, okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you
so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Don't let me see you niggas around here anymore.
Next time we will no bathroom now. If you ever go to bathroom and you see me, chew gum on chiclet on me, okay?
All right, buddy, you got it. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, buddy.
Okay.